As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the Fish Tank. I am Cole, and today we are finally showing off our DIBS December winter rescue vehicle. And today we are working with this pretty mangled looking 1974 Chevy C-10, made by, I believe this one was an M2 car that we got from Uncle Paulie over at Diecast Graveyard. Oh, geez, probably 2-3 years ago, and it was finally a good situation to use this truck. So, guys, today it's a very short video, but what we did to this car was supposed to be a lot. So, as you guys see, you see this Hot Wheels electric back to this 74 Chevy. And what my goal was to attach this back to the back of this truck to make it a service rescue vehicle. But when I was cutting out the rear, it got damaged. And things just didn't align, and it just was not what I meant to do. So when I was cutting it out with a jeweler's saw, it actually bent because I was using vice grips and I put too much pressure on the die-cast metal, and it bent and broke. So it just did not work out. So we had to resolve and go to plan B. So plan B was I wanted to take the original bed. We were just going to paint it back. I wanted to put a tow hook on it, but I couldn't figure out how to get the tow hook to stand still. I mean, I did, but with my time, I didn't have the time to put on the proper rearing of a tow hook, so we decided to go with just a simple plow truck. So my goal was to figure out the color. So as you guys see here, we went with a really shiny red. The paint job's not perfect by any means. It's a service vehicle. It didn't need to be. And we also put our services on the side of it, so we put the Cuda's Diecast Customs logo and where we're from on the side of the truck, and we custom made a plow. And how we did that was actually pretty cool. So I took a lot of metal tubing, so I got a lot of extra metal tubing sitting around, and what we did was I took a tube, cut it in half, pinched the top of it down, and then bent the rest of it to a plow shape. And then how we connected it was we took this this square tubing that was available, and we put a round piece of tubing off to the side by gluing it, and then we put the plow on it. And luckily, I wasn't thinking about this at the time, but I didn't think it was going to roll with the plow on, but I got lucky, and the stance of the truck was still high enough so that plow could clear. What else did we do with this little truck? That's about it. As you guys see, we painted it. We painted the bed wood grain just because that's kind of the thing we do with pickup trucks. We put about pretty much all the original trim, interior glass, and so forth. So guys, thank you for stopping by the Fish Tank. This is our DIBS December build. Guys, I hope you liked it. I know it's a really short video, but this is what we did, and I really want to add to it when I get the time, and when I do, we'll definitely be posting it on our Instagram page. So look forward to that, and guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.